Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. So today I am going to be talking about my favorite straighteners of 2022. This video is always so requested and I only post it once a year, so here it is. These are my favorite straighteners of 2022. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to start with one of my favorite T3 straighteners. So this one is the SinglePass X, and so this is a 1.5-inch plate. As you can see, it's pretty big, and this really leaves my hair like super sleek. I remember once I had like very straight hair, and my sister was like, what straightener did you use today to straighten your hair? Because whatever you use like really works super well, because my hair was so sleek, and I actually used this one, and I like this even more than the Lucia ID, because I mean 1-inch straighteners are nice because you can get a nice bouncy curl as well if you want to, and they're very nice for traveling, but this one just really straightens my hair super quickly, and I'm able to get bigger sections. Most of the time when I use a straightener, it's because I want to straighten my hair only. I don't really use a straightener to curl my hair much anymore. I'll use maybe like a curling iron or another type of hair tool to curl my hair. I just feel like flat iron curls don't look that good. They're not very consistent sometimes, and sometimes they look a little bit static and frizzy. So I prefer to just use a hair tool that is meant for curling your hair when it comes to curling your hair. So I'll just go for like a curling wand or a curling iron, or even like the Shark Flex style, the curling barrel, something like that. But if I had to choose my favorite T3 micro straightener, it would definitely be this one. I'm pretty sure this one is also dual voltage, so you can take it with you whenever you travel. I took mine to Spain, not this one. I took the T3 Lucia to Spain, and I just used my adapter and I was able to use it. I used it so much. I used it mainly to iron my clothes, because surprisingly most hotels that I went to in Spain didn't have an iron, and I mean I should have traveled with like a little steamer or something anyways, you know, but since I didn't have that and I didn't have an iron, I used my flat iron most of the time. So here's a quick TikTok of me using my T3 straightener in Spain, and it works. So yeah, if you need a straightener that's gonna work for you also in Europe, get the T3 straighteners. They are amazing. So this straightener is also super nice. If you want a 1-inch straightener, this is the straightener for you. I love this like curve design that it has. It really does help you get very close to the roots, and this one gives me a ton of shine. This straightener from BioIonic, this is the BioIonic 10X straightener, by the way. It is just like one of my favorite ones. I use it all the time, and this one does give you very nice bouncy curls, even though I don't use my flat irons too much to curl my hair, like I said, but I do like that you're able to do that with this hair tool. This also has like this cool vibrating technology, which is supposed to give your hair a lot more shine, so I love turning that feature on whenever I use this hair tool. I really love BioIonic hair tools. I love their long curling barrel. I feel like that is the curling barrel that I use the most to curl my hair. It is a 1.25-inch curling barrel, and it gives me just very beautiful bouncy curls, and it's such a long barrel, so I'm able to grab so much hair with that curling iron. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that BioIonic hair tools are amazing. I just started talking about the curling iron. This is a straightener video, but anyways, this straightener from BioIonic is amazing and I totally recommend it. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them, the GHD Max. This is a 2-inch plate, so it is a little bit bigger than the SinglePass X. So the plate on the GHD Max is 2 inches, so I'm able to straighten my hair so quickly, which I love. If you like smaller plates, you might like the GHD Platinum Plus more. That one is a 1-inch plate, and I like that one as well. I have it and I use it all the time, but if I just want to straighten my hair very quickly, I just go in with the GHD Max. It does it super fast, and I love that with this one you kind of can't put the heat setting up too much. So this kind of controls how much heat you put on your hair, which I love. Sometimes with other hair tools, I'll go up to like 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I shouldn't do that because over time it does burn my hair. But with this one, I believe this only goes up to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. So it straightens my hair super well. I don't know why I always put the heat setting up more than that. I feel like I don't need to, but I still do. But I shouldn't. And this controls me, so I really appreciate that. So I love that most GHD hair tools only have that technology. Like, you can see that it only has one button. It's the power button, and that's it. That's all you got. I don't know if you can see, but that's all you got, and you just turn it on, warms up in like 10 seconds, and it's ready to go. This also gives me so much shine. It's insane. And it's very durable. I've had this one for at least a year now, and I've had the Platinum Plus for, I would say, like 4 years, and those hair tools last you years. Those hair tools last you such a long time. So yeah, this hair tool is worth every single penny. Another straightener that is also about $250 that is also very worth it is the L'Oreal Steampod. So this one is a little bit different. It's more tricky to use. It also looks like it could be a bigger plate, but this is a 1-inch plate. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is just a 1-inch plate. So it also gives you very nice bouncy curls. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Steampod quick just so you guys can see how it works, because this one's a little bit trickier to understand. I just filled this up with water, and then I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm gonna use this in the heat setting 390. As you can see, this front section is starting to get a little bit frizzy and like wavy because it's like very hot in this room and I'm like sweating, so don't mind me. But I'm just gonna touch up this section right here. You have to follow the arrows because the steam is gonna come out from the bottom, so you want to make sure that everything is flowing and going the same direction. So I just like to very slowly glide this down my hair, and I don't know if you can see the steam coming out already. But look at that. Look how it just made my hair a lot more sleek with just one pass. This is a straightener that I don't use that much anymore just because I haven't been straightening my hair in general that much, but I miss using it because it really does give me so much shine, and it helps control frizz too. So I really like the L'Oreal Steampod. But yeah, it just gave me like instant shine, so love it. I love that hair tool. It's so good. So yeah, the Steampod has a very like different technology than the other ones, and I remember recommending this one to my friend and she hated it. She ended up returning it. So I guess you gotta get used to it. If you like your like traditional straighteners, go with the GHD. You can't go wrong with the GHD. It's just so good. Or any of these. These are all amazing. I love all of them. But this is kind of like my go-to. I feel like it really does give me such a straight look, and it doesn't damage my hair as much because it controls the heat setting. So yeah, I love my GHD hair tools. They're so good. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. It was short and sweet and simple and straight to the point. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this of my favorites of 2022. I actually have some more coming, so stay tuned. I'm actually doing Vlogmas right now, so I'm going to be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at around 1 p.m. Eastern time. So stay tuned. I have so many videos coming soon, and I am going to be posting for the entire month of December. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.